be using the purchase order header to show the purchase order ID. And I'm going to be creating 3 columns, 2 using the extract command. And I'm going to name these columns year and month, and 1 using the date trunc function. I'm going to be naming this column year and month. I'm going to go ahead and start listing these. And this was date trunc, and that's going to be year and month. And then I was going to use extract twice, and one of them was going to become year, and one was going to become month. I'm going to put quotation marks around these. And then this is my select piece. And then from, I'm going to be selecting that from the purchase order header table. And then I need a where clause because I'm only going to be including purchases from 2013 and 14. And the easiest way to obtain the year, of course, is to use this extract command again. So I'm going to be using extract to get the year. So I'm going to type year here so I don't forget that. And I'm going to be looking if that year is either in 2013 or in 2014. Okay, so let's fix this code so actually it works. But again, the syntax of extract is to first say what is the component I'm extracting, and here I'm extracting the year, and then I say from, and then what field am I working with, and I'm pulling it out of the order date in the purchase order header table. And then here I'm going to be extracting month instead of year. And then finally, this is starting to get kind of long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move this down so I can see what I'm selecting a little bit better. And then finally I'm going to do date trunc to pull both the year and the month out of the order date. And here the syntax is to look at the component again, but here I need to include quotation marks around that component. So I'm going to do month, and then I'm going to do a comma. I don't need to say from here. And then I'm going to add order date, the field again. And I'm going to call that as year and month. And here, year, I can't use the keyword year here because it doesn't know what that means. And I can't reference this field either. So I can't, for example, do this. You won't know what that field is. So if I run this, I'm getting an error message. Because of the extract there. But let me change this. This would be the format of it. So if I run this, it won't know what this means. So I'm getting an error message saying year does not exist. All right, so what I need to go back to that extract, and really this is what I need to extract. So I need to obtain the year from the order date and then see if that year is in, or is the 2013 or 14 year. And now if I run this, notice here that I'm getting purchase order IDs listed in order. I then get the year of this. Actually, let's display the order date too so we see what I'm pulling from. So I'm getting purchase order ID, and here's my order date. So I'm pulling out the year out of this. So that's 2013. The month is January, so that's month 1. And then for year and month, I'm pulling out both 2013 and 01. And if we go down here, we can see that, for example, here we're getting 2013-07, and then of course all this stuff is 01-00000, and here I'm pulling out the year and the month. This, for example, can be useful later if I, for example, want to aggregate by year and month, or only by month, for example, or only by year. And if we look at the year here, we're only getting 2013 and 2014. I have no transactions in here from other years.